Hey guys, Dizom here. I'm gonna be playing some Unturned today. I'm on my private server, and I'm probably gonna be building a base. So let's do that right now. Oh great, okay. Just gonna put this guy. Getting So I'm gonna build it up here. Pretty sure this is gonna be a good base, so I'm just gonna find all the ID list stuff, so yeah, let's do this. Jeez. If my internet could work today. Probably can't. Anyways, how are you guys doing? How's your summer going so far? I'm actually enjoying myself. I'm super happy and stuff. So, fuck. What is this? Fuck. Oh, okay. So let's build some stuff. Oh my god. Weapons, blah blah. Structure. Okay. Gonna build it out of metal today. How far? 36. I'm gonna make oh, 20. Let's make it a 4x5. Huh. This is gonna be hard. This is harder than I thought. Okay. So I do want it high. So leave it flat. Oh dang, this is hard. That's it. Oh. This is gonna do. Yeah, this isn't bad. Huh. Snap that. Yeah, this is not actually bad. Oh, great. Okay, I was about to be glitched. So there's 4, 2, 5. Come on, snap. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I could do this. I could do this. No. Oh, that's fast. Oh my god. I'm glitched. Please don't. No. Okay, good. Here we go. Yeah, this is amazing. This is gonna be a big base, actually. Oh, it's too big. So many. I need, just in case, 50 pillars. I don't want to do the math. What is it? 37.4. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, that's not good. No. Why? Why you do this? Oh. Wait. There we go. That's good. Okay. This is actually going to be the worst looking base ever, but... oh my god. Unfortunately, I have no friends to play Unturned with, so just playing solo, and I feel like doing it too, because I'm hella bored. There's yeah, I got an achievement. I'm so good. I'm so good at this game. So good. I haven't played this in like year, so I actually kind of miss playing it in a way. Please don't make fun of me in comments of this. Just haven't played it in so long. Oh god. Come on. Yes. Okay, good. So now I need walls. Should I make the whole thing out of windows? Oh my god, that's gonna be cool. If I make the whole thing out of windows. Nah. No, I have like wall here, wall there. Okay, good. All done. Now I just need walls. So, Okay, 3, 7, 1. 1. Math, there's so much. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 for now. Let's do this. Here. Here. Good. So now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 12. What is it called? Okay, 3, 7, 2. There we go. What? Oh, I got one too many. Oh well. Great. Great job for me. Or two too many. Crap. Okay, now I need windows. What? Oh my god, okay, this is glitching. Stop glitching! Twelve, 9, 8. Let's see if that's a bulletproof one. Yep. Let's see if that's enough. Or maybe too many. That's gonna be amazing. Oh, okay. I'm so smart. I am so smart. Okay. What I'm gonna do now is have 2 layers of glass. And then this first layer is gonna be one way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, jeez, that is so smart. Okay, so I need to figure out how to do the door. So I need to, okay. So 5 and 4, 9, 13. Crap. Alright, I'm just gonna start off with... Oh, 6. That's just 6 going that way. Okay. What is ground again? Oh, 3, 6, 9. Oh, please. Oh, piss. No? No. Oh, it won't snap. What I'm going to do is do it this way. Aha. If only Nelson added like shovels where we can dig this part up. That'd be nice. That'd be actually kind of cool. Nelson, calling out for you. Add shovels. So 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Actually, 10. Gonna actually salvage this one, so then I can have a door that comes out. Peace. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be the worst looking base ever, but it's gonna be awesome. Oh crap. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Okay. Let's see. Let's add some... Get some more pillars. Let's get like pillars out. Oh crap, I need an MRE. Oh no. Okay, I have a ton. Haha. There we go, okay. Now I'm just gonna have a bunch of windows. 372/50. Alright, 272. Oh, 372. Oh, crap. I think I'm gonna put some extra roofing at the top, so then if people will try to break in from the top, they wouldn't even know that they may just fall into a trap. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Well, anyways, I'm playing on a private server, on my server, so I guess it may not matter, but Gonna add some doors now, doorways. Says that I gave... What? Oh, no, I'm fucking blind. Like a motherfucker. No, equip it. Equip it. Yes. Oh gosh, this is actually a nice space. Okay, now I need a door. Let's make it all... 286. Okay. So, 2. Yeah, bless me, oh my god. Where are my doors? I just clicked on doors, you know. I'm gonna try to type it in again. Oh, jeez. Huh. Slash 286 slash 2. Okay. Okay, give it to myself. Crap. Oh, jeez. I've played this in a long time. How do we, switch it? Haha. There we go. Got it. Okay. Crap. I'm just gonna keep this. I'm gonna close it. So now Windows. Oh, well then, I can't find it anymore. Great job to me, I can't find it. Oh my god. Great job. Okay. So one-way glass, $12.99. Give it 30. Just 'cause. Okay. Now I need a wall here. A wall here. Okay. Metal wall. It's all the way down there, I see. 371. Now I need a roof. 100. Because I'm gonna make more roofs. Crap. Lag. I'm gonna go outside and see what it looks like. Crap, I need a roof. Glass, that's glass. It's falling out. Jeez. What? Wait, can I put bulletproof glass? Please tell me I can. No. Okay. Okay, I think I have an idea. Freeform. Channel 9-1, let's see. Oh great, I can't find the freeform. Oh great. Oh wait, I could just grab. Oh. It's a freeform thing. Oh wait, it's 1092. Please tell me this. What is this? Oh. Oh. I see. Okay, amazing. 1094. Great. If only these actually counted as real windows. That'd be cool. But they're not. I don't even know how to... Okay. R. G. Control. Nope. Shift. Oh no, I need to look at the controls. Gesture. Oh my god. Hold on, I don't know how to fucking rotate this. Yeah, rotate. Oh, crap, right click. Oh, great. It's not what I wanted to do, but... Trevor done. What? 37:30. Go. Oh my god, okay. I just screwed up. 1093. Put so many of these on the car. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Then I move the car. I should just... God. Oh my gosh. Stop. Stop. How fast? Oh my gosh. Okay, stop moving so fast. Oh my god. Just fucking... Okay. Alright. There. Stay still. Screw OCD. Screw it. Done. I'm done. I'm done. Nope. Yes. Play it. Play it. Yeah, I'm talking. Great. Okay. Not... I just found out I'm not a good builder, so this is all I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna go. Oh. Okay, you know what? I'm driving back to this. I don't even know where it is. I'm blocked. I can't change perspectives because I forgot to do that. I see this. Actually looks hella nice. Fuck yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Drive. Drive. Just keep driving. Okay, I'm leaving. So, this is the end of the video, unfortunately. So, goodbye, and subscribe and comment below. And I guess, leave a like. Let's go for 10 likes. I mean, I only have 10 subscribers, so 10 likes. Yeah. Okay, see you guys. Bye.